Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to open a support ticket in Slotomania. If you're having issues with your Slotomania game, such as lost coin, glitches, or account problems, then you can get help directly from the Slotomania support team. Launch open the Slotomania app on your device and make sure that you're logged in. From the menu of the game, go ahead and tap on the 3 horizontal menu button at the top right corner and click on Support. Soon after you do that, it will take you to this support website where you can easily reach out to the customer support team. Go ahead and tap on the Contact Us button at the bottom, and then you can go ahead and select whether you are having game issues or privacy and report abuse. For game issues, choose Game Issues option, enter your email address in the respective text box, and then go ahead and enter your problem in the description box. Explain your problem clearly and politely, include any relevant screenshots if possible. You can upload your screenshots by tapping on Choose Files and uploading your document, and finally click on the Submit button to submit your ticket. Support usually responds within 24 to 48 hours. You will need to check your email inbox and spam folder for their reply. And that's it. By following these steps, you can safely open a support ticket in Slotomania and get help for any game-related issues. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.